So the other day I'm at the pet store and I'm in the bird section and looking around, and the pet store owner comes by and he asked me if I need any help, and I said, well, yeah, I've got some concerns about the construction of these bird cages. And he goes, oh, okay, well, what's your concern? And I said, well, are these made out of nickel? And he goes, no, they're made out of aluminum. And I said, well, what about the welds here on the corners? Is there any nickel in those? And he goes, no, they're 100% aluminum. And I said, so you're telling me that these are nickel-less cages? Now I can't go back in there for a month.